Does one matter? I'm Rachel Olmstead, your integrative nutrition coach and founder of Pray, Live, Eat, where I make healthy living easy, fun, and of course delicious, all with God's simple design. Today we are talking about one. Does one really matter? We read in Luke chapter 15, there is rejoicing in heaven over one sinner that repents. One out of all the people in the world, one matters, just like you matter. Now, what about our health? Can one change make a difference to our health? I find that many people are stuck in overwhelm in an unhealthy lifestyle because there are so many things that we're bombarded with that we should be doing to get healthy, when really just making one change can make a difference. That one change we'll look at today is water. Many of us today are walking around dehydrated, and that dehydration can cause headaches, can cause fatigue, tiredness, groggy head, can even cause mood swings, and can cause us to feel hungry when really we are thirsty. So water is one change that can make a big difference in our lives. And that is usually the first thing that I start with clients is looking at water. A guideline for you is to look at your body weight in pounds and divide that in half and aim for that many ounces of water in a day. So if you weighed 150 pounds, aim for 75 ounces of water in a day and try a first glass right away in the morning and see how that works for you. As you continue forward on your journey towards better health with one thing, remember to always keep your eyes focused on the one. To stay in touch with me, please visit my website at PrayLiveEat.com and join my newsletter list where I send out great healthy tips, inspiration, and fun recipes. And I look forward to hearing from you how one change makes a difference in your health.